Hi, I'm Scott Campbell with Solve 3D.
And I'm Kevin Miller at Solve 3D.
Kevin, I see there's a whole bunch of tags here. How do I interact with these tags that I'm looking at?
Yeah, so what we're looking at here, we're in an indoor project. You can see all these little blue icons around the indoor environment here. And you can see there's a lot of clutter. There's a lot of blue icons overlapping things. Doesn't look very good. So what we can do here in the settings menu that I've already opened, I can just click settings again in the top right. You can see down near the bottom in the scene view settings, there's an asset draw distance. So this is, as I described before, this is how far away these tags are drawn. And right now I'm showing everything within 98 meters away, but I can, reduce some of that clutter by just
Oh, that's much
narrowing it
better.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
lowering
can
it to a value.
I can focus in on what I want to interact with a lot better if there's fewer of them, for sure.
Exactly. So I'm just going to spin around here and look at this wall of tags here, and we'll talk about a few of these tags and how to view them. So I'm just going to close settings. So as I described before, you see all these tags on these valves and instruments along this piping in this on this wall. I can simply click on a tag if I want to know more information about it. You can see it starts blinking, indicating that I clicked on it. And in the top left, you can see the tag ID. In this case, it's a PN ID, but it might be, a tag name or whatever it might be. And then you can see different comments that people have made on this tag. So in my case, I'm the only one who's commented on this, and I've linked out to different systems in here. So all of our tags allow you to, write a sentence or a couple words or link out to an external system or maybe a Word doc. So as a user, when you're viewing this tag, you can simply just click on the link and it opens a new window and maybe see something like more schematics for that particular tag. Or maybe you linked out to an external document asset management system or a more complex thing like that to view more detail. Each of these tags has a special URL that you can copy at any point. I can just click this copy URL button and I can copy this URL and send it to somebody if I want to be able to link directly to that tag and view these same comments again. As well as I can also view in the folder view on the left-hand side. I can just click folders. You can see that folder of all the tags that people have created, and I can expand those. And maybe I'm looking for a certain PNID. I can just click that link, and you see it's now jumped me to that location in the system. It's blinking, showing me the comments and everything again. As well as if I hit return, I can also right-click on the folder and export the data or export all of the tags into a CSV file with the northern easting and any comments that were supplied. And I can also choose the projection if I want to change the coordinates to a different system. But I hit export CSV, downloads the CSV, and you can see that data. That's it.
Okay, pretty useful feature actually. So within a project, you can leave a tag, and the tag can be a note for a fellow project worker, project team member, or it could be a hyperlink out to another program. It could be an asset management program, or it could be a drawing of a valve or some part that you're looking at. Okay, that's great. Thanks very much, Kevin.
No problem.